Hey everyone, welcome back to LiveGood Daily News. I'm Jesse Garcia. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay connected with the latest LiveGood news, product updates, corporate announcements, training highlights, and important developments. We have several updates from today's Firestarter Friday call. One of the biggest stories is the early momentum of LiveGood's new fundraising program. So let's jump right in. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky, opened the call with a major update on the fundraiser program. According to Ben, in roughly the first week since the program launched, more than 500 organizations had already signed up to run a fundraiser. He said the program was starting faster than he originally expected. Normally, organizations may need time to coordinate, organize, and prepare before launching a fundraiser. But according to Ben, many organizations have been excited and ready to begin. He also said LiveGood had already received hundreds of customers through fundraising activity. Although he did not provide an exact customer total, this is important because the fundraising program is still very new. And yet, according to the update, more than 500 organizations had already gotten involved. And Nauder expanded on the fundraising announcement. He said he was impressed by how quickly organizations were responding. He emphasized that fundraising can connect LiveGood with many different types of organizations and communities that could include sports organizations, schools, churches, community groups, and other causes that are looking to raise funds. And Nauder believes one of the advantages is that supporters are chasing and they're purchasing products that may already be interested in using while also supporting an organization. He described the program as something that could continue growing as customers discover additional Live Good products over time. And both Ben and Nauder made it clear that they see significant potential in this new program. Next, Ben gave us this week's rank advancement numbers. And once again, there was plenty of activity. We got the Live Good report, 559 new bronzes. Ben emphasized how significant that number is, especially during the end of the summer and the beginning of the school year. He said these bronze advancements demonstrate continued duplication throughout the organization. And there were also 47 new silvers this week. That means 47 additional people built organizations of at least 20 members. And LiveGood also reported 5 new golds. Ben described gold as an important leadership level because it represents building an organization of at least 100 members. There were no new platinums or diamonds reported this week, but overall, Ben described it as another strong week of rank advancement. Ben also discussed LiveGood's retention numbers. According to Ben, approximately 96% of people who ordered last month also ordered the following month. He explained that even among the remaining percentage, some customers may simply have purchased multiple months of products in a previous order. Ben connected these numbers to what he sees as 3 major challenges in network marketing: recruiting, duplication, and retention. His message was that LiveGood's product pricing, membership model, and compensation structure are helping address those challenges. Then came an important announcement about LiveGood Collagen Peptides. Ben explained that the current batch shows an expiration date of September 2026. LiveGood still had several thousand bags from that batch, while a new batch was already in production. Rather than simply discarding the existing product, the company had it retested, and according to Ben, the testing showed the product remained valid with approximately another 2 years of shelf life. He said LiveGood would publish the documentation so members could review the information. Ben emphasized that the company wanted to be fully transparent about the printed date. And during the call, Ben discussed a possible 50% discount or a buy one, get one free offer. Dr. Ryan Goodkin preferred the buy one, get one free option. So keep an eye on official LiveGood communications for the final promotion and details because the call itself was still discussing how the offer would be structured. Next, we got Dr. Ryan Goodkin, Director of Product Development, gave us several product development updates. One of the closest products appears to be the new Organic Oats product. Dr. Ryan explained that the finished product and testing were essentially complete. The remaining issue was receiving the final organic certification. He explained that an organic certifier had been slowing down the process. So LiveGood and its manufacturing partners brought another certifier into the process to help move things forward. He said the product was basically ready to package once that certification was approved. He was hoping for positive news as early as the following week. And right behind the oats is LiveGood's upcoming organic coffee enhancer. Dr. Ryan said he did not expect the same certification delays with this product. So the expectation is that the organic oats and coffee enhancer could arrive fairly close together. No exact launch data was announced, so we'll continue watching for the official release. And Dr. Ryan also updated everyone of the upcoming molecular hydrogen product. He explained that the type of magnesium used in producing molecular hydrogen requires special handling because of its flammability. That means some materials have to be transported as hazardous material by ground. But Dr. Ryan said the formulation itself has been dialed in. He said their testing showed strong parts per million performance and very good solubility. He has personally been testing it. He said it dissolves very quickly. Once the necessary material arrives, the product can move into tablet production and final packaging preparation. And Dr. Ryan also mentioned the upcoming cleaner product that the project is still moving forward, although he needs to reconnect with the manufacturer and complete the design work. He also discussed additional sublingual products that are still under development, and he said he expects those to potentially arrive during this calendar year. Although, again, no exact release date was announced, so there is clearly a substantial product pipeline still ahead. And Dr. Ryan also explained some of the philosophy behind LiveGood's product formulations. He said the company does not simply create separate supplements when ingredients can appropriately be combined. For example, LiveGood's multivitamin already includes its B complex ingredients, but certain nutrients, including vitamin D3 and K2 and magnesium, were intentionally kept separate. That allows people more control over dosage and timing and can help address situations where nutrients may compete for absorption. Dr. Ryan said the goal is to consider bioavailability and how the body can best utilize the ingredients. Ben then talked about LiveGood's relationships with manufacturers. He said the company works with manufacturers that meet its quality standards, and that LiveGood's growing purchasing volume gives the company additional buying power. Ben explained that stronger purchasing power can help LiveGood negotiate better pricing, which can ultimately help maintain lower product prices. He also emphasized the importance of reputation and doing business the right way. Another major update was about what could become LiveGood's next specialized referral program. Ben said LiveGood is making progress on a program designed for gyms, chiropractors, and healthcare practitioners. The concept will be similar to the fundraising program. A chiropractor, gym owner, or other practitioner could recommend specific LiveGood products to customers or patients and direct them to their own LiveGood website. For example, instead of a chiropractor having to purchase and maintain an inventory of supplements, they could potentially direct someone to their LiveGood site to purchase products such as magnesium or vitamin D. Ben said the program is still being developed, but progress is being made. This could potentially open another large audience for LiveGood products. Ben also confirmed that work continues on additional landing pages, advertising campaigns, and email systems. Some members may already have noticed new emails focused on different products and health topics. Those marketing systems are continuing to be developed and rolled out. Toward the end of the call, Lisa Goodkin joined with a health educated update. Lisa emphasized the importance of consistency when using supplements. Her message was that supplements should not be viewed as an overnight solution. She encouraged members to remain consistent, learn about the products, and maintain realistic expectations. Lisa also shared a testimonial from someone who reported improvements after making changes to her nutrition and supplement routine. Because individual experiences can vary, testimonials should not be interpreted as guaranteed results. But Lisa used the story to reinforce her message about consistency, nutrition, and long term wellness habits. And then Lisa announced the topic for the next Monday product education call. The focus will be black seed oil. And Lisa said she believes many people still do not understand the importance and the potential of this product. She even suggested that black seed oil could potentially belong alongside LiveGood's foundational products. Ben agreed that black seed oil could become a much bigger trend in the supplement industry as more people begin learning about it. He also pointed to products such as methylene blue and NAD plus as examples where LiveGood has tried to identify emerging supplement trends early. So make sure you watch the upcoming Monday product education call if you want to learn more about black seed oil. And that wraps up the biggest updates from this Firestarter Friday, August 21st. The fundraising program is off to a fast start with LiveGood reporting more than 500 organizations already signed up. We saw another strong week of rank advancements, including 559 bronzes, 47 silvers, and 5 golds. We received updates on Organic Oats, Coffee Enhancer Creamer, Molecular Hydrogen, the Cleaner, and additional sublingual products. And we also learned that LiveGood is moving forward with potential programs for gyms, chiropractors, and healthcare practitioners. Coming next, Lisa Goodkin will be focusing on black seed oil during Monday's call. And there's definitely a lot happening as we head toward the final months of 2026. So thank you so much for watching LiveGood Daily News. If this report helped keep you informed, please make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with other LiveGood members and affiliates. We'll continue following the announcements and bringing you the most important updates from corporate calls in a simple, easy to follow format. Thank you guys for watching LiveGood Daily News and stay informed, connected. I'll see you guys on the next report.